way to explore Roatan is on horseback. So I've come down to Keifitos plantation, which is a short walk from the West End, and I'm going to get a tour of some of the most beautiful scenery of the island. Hi.
Hey.
Hi guys.
Hey there, welcome.
Isla, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. This is going to be your horse or they? He's called Orion.
I've never been on a horse before, so
wow.
let's do this. I'm very excited.
Stop. Just pull him back.
Just
but
pull him
don't
to
ever
stop.
do
Too hard.
He will, yeah.
Okay.
If you want him to go left, you do. I mean, whatever direction you want him to go in, you just lead him.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So how do I make the horse go?
Coming high to tight now. It coming high to tight now. Hurricanes here. It coming high to tight now. It coming high to tight now. Hurricanes. Wind blows fierce northwest. Pray to God she'll rain. Captain, what to do? We'll go east, see it through. It coming high to tight now. It coming high to tight now. Hurricane surge. It coming high to tight now. It coming high to tight now. Hurricane surge. Power's down, lights go out. No control, no way out. Time to say